Hello to everyone, my name is Alexander Patiño. Today we're going to make a presentation about the treatment of information. And in this activity, we need to cover 3 points very important. The first point is called all the information about the university has about me. And the second point is identify the policy of the treatment of information that the university has. And the 3 point make a suggestion about the aspects that we can find in that document. Okay, and the first point, I identified my personal information that the university has is my name, my profile picture, my document number, my cell phone number, the personal email, and the last point, my address. The law that the university used or cover the policy of the treatment information is this. About this law, it recognizes and protects the right of all individuals to know, update and rectify the information that has been collected about them in database or files that are subject to processing by public or private entities. What is the document? The document is this. This document, we can find many aspects that the university explain how the information it will be used. In this document, the law describes about this contemplate and in different fundamental aspects that detail how the processing of personal information by the interested parties will be carried out. What is the aspect to improvement? The aspect to improvement is the duties of the Manuela Beltran University regarding the processing of personal data. What this aspect is very important for me. I believe that this aspect can be improved within the duties of the university. It would also be important to contemplate that actions taken by the university in case the information has been used and manipulated by third parties, such as contemplating a strategy for the owner of the data to be informed in advance about what happened, planning and detail the contingency plan that is placed for this case in order to provide pace for mind and confidence. Improvement. Cite this section of the obligation only mention aspects for the protection of the data, but does not inform about the duties that the university has in case the data are manipulated by the third parties and how the owner will be notified. Okay, thank you very much. See you later.